Alright, Kim. So it's walked time. It's more or less a timing chain jumped, more or less. I ran the compression test on it with my little compression tester doohickey. Tells me how much PSI, and the PSI was really low on them. That's whenever the battery started going down, and I hooked the jump pack back up. But those running like 70, and the battery dies at 78, 70, 50. And this one here is right around 52, and I hooked the jump box up to it and helped spin it around. However, I checked it all this morning, and let's see, 85 or 86 was the highest I got. I should have wrote it down. But yeah, the timing's slightly out of whack. Down in there, yeah, you can see it right there. There's a little piece of the timing chain guide right by that bolt, so. And there's supposed to be a little piece of plastic on this thing here to help guide it, and it's missing. Hell, that might be it. I don't know, but I'm gonna carry on. My neighbor's, yeah, that thing's, I'm not good. Yeah, but anyway, I got my neighbor's roof metal to shine up tomorrow, and I'll start that. That'll probably take me a week. Maybe less. It's a pretty easy roof. But anyway, I'll have this, I'll just say a week from now. What's today? Monday, I think. So, should be Tuesday you'll get this thing back. Maybe. I don't know. I'm going to send you more messages. Look up a timing kit and stuff for it. Yep, that's where I'm at today.